Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi and let's dream about beauty. Today I have a video for you that is an eyeshadow tutorial using the Nude Obsessions palette, the Medium Nude Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. I just got it yesterday, so this is a first impressions. That's what it looks like. I haven't even swatched it. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with this color in my crease, in the transition area. So, just going in. I was watching an earlier tutorial by Robert Welsh, who has very entertaining videos and very useful tips. And he was talking about if you really want that good blend, try to keep your transition area more sort of in your crease, and then use a clean brush to then blend it out and up. Oops, I forgot to put on eyeshadow primer. Oh well. So just going in again for it's blending out really nicely. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing with the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to cool it down a little bit with this sort of pinkier shade. Pretty good color payoff. The pigmentation is excellent and the blendability is very good. Just going to go in with another clean blending brush and blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to take a more precise brush, blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this color here, and that color, and deepen out the corners. looks like a pretty good blend. Now I'm gonna go in with my flat shader brush. Oops, that's not a flat shader brush. This is the JH41. And I'm gonna go in with, I think, this one, this shimmer color right here. That's very nice. That goes on very, very well. Definitely would not need to spray your brush. And I prefer not to spray my brush if I don't have to, because I find that when I spray my brush to foil a shadow, and if you don't know what that means, then sometimes with shimmer shades or metallic shades you can intensify them by applying them a little bit wet. And so you tap your brush in, get the product on, and you apply it. But I do find that if you have texture on your eyelids, it does tend to enhance texture, so if I can avoid it, I will. Also, considering how this is a first impression, it's better to not foil it, just so that you can really see exactly how the shadows are behaving. So now I think I'm going to go into this, this darker shimmer and just use that to kind of merge into the darker color I have here on the edge. This is a eyeshadow look that's quite a bit out of my comfort zone because it's a lot warmer than I usually go. I tried to cool it down a bit, but it looks quite okay. So yeah, I'm going to use this little flat shader brush, but I'm just going to dip it in this dark color here, darker color, and I'm just going to run that in on my lower lash line. Like I usually do. I'm just gonna smudge that out. And now I need to get a secondary palette because I'd like to highlight my brow bone, but there is no, as you can see, there's no brow bone shade in this palette, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a palette that I put together that is my dupe of the coconut, whatever the coconut palette from ColourPop is. So I'm going to use this itty bitty little brush, the JH39, and I'm going to just highlight up here, blend it in, highlight up here, blend it in, highlight the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to just blend this in a little bit. It's pretty good. And then I'm just going to go over my blend at the top here once more. All right, going to do lashes and liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and that's, I did mascara and I did eyeliner on my, in my waterline and some liquid liner. So that looks pretty good. All in all, it's a nice palette. I think that it's has excellent pigmentation, so like you're not going to have to go in 100 times to get some color. Very blendable. I've got a little bit of fallout from the shimmer, but not a lot, so that's not really a concern. So all in all, I would give this an A+. However, I would like to try the light, the nude light, just because I think that that might be more my color preference. However, this one does give a great look for those of you who prefer a kind of a warmer tone, and seems like it makes my blue eyes pop pretty good. So anyhow, thanks for checking out my channel. I hope that you have a great day. Thank you for spending time with me. Time is our most precious commodity, and when you spend a little bit of your time with me, I really appreciate it. So have a great day, and thank you. Take care.